Reflection. How did your view of language acquisition evolve during the course? My perspective has changed. Now I know that a second language is not learning in the same way as the first one. Learning about my calculation, hypotheses, and long ideas, math, about the importance of comprehensible input, low affective filter, output, and communicative approach. We learn to speak by speaking. Which activity from the Agora poster inspired you most and why? The activity that I liked the most and really impressed me was connecting sound because it's very innovative. Because the focus in the lack of listening strategies, they design activities to help develop English listen skill, using many technology tools, including gamification, and the poster is very attractive and professional. What do you take away from the Agora event as a future teacher? I was an excellent event. I saw my classmates know, work, and I admired their abilities. This activity inspired me to participate in another similar events in future. I feel part of a great institution and I congratulate the organization.